Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. So today first we solve the question.
Good morning and Jain sir.
So today we solve the questions based on trigonometric equation which was left yesterday. And yes, the question is solve 10x plus 10 pi by 3 plus x plus 10 2 pi by 3 plus x is equal to 3. Okay. So in that case, what you do, here you applying the formula for 10x plus y. Yeah. 10x plus y is equal to 10x plus 10y on 1 minus 10x 10y in last two terms. Understand? And taking LCM and simplifying up to the simplest form. Understand? Write it. So here you can write 10x. So 10x can be written as 10x here. And here you applying the formula for 10x plus y. So which is 10 pi by 3 plus 10x whole divided by 1 minus 10 pi by 3 into 10x. And here you write 10 2 pi by 3 plus 10x whole divided by 1 minus 10 pi by 2 pi by 3 into 10x which is equal to 3. Which is equal to 3. Okay. Now 10x plus the value of 10 pi by 3 is root 3. So root 3 plus 10x, and here you have 1 minus root 3 10x, and plus 10 2 pi by 3 is lying in second quadrant, so you can write it as minus root 3, minus root 3 plus 10x, and here you have 1 plus root 3 10x is equal to 3. Or you have 10x plus, here you taking LCM. So if you are taking LCM, here you have a minus b, a plus b. So which is 1 minus 3 tan square x. 1 minus 3 tan square x. And here you multiplying these two factors. What you have, just you multiplying it. So you have 3 root 3 plus 3 tan x. And plus 10x. And if you multiplying root 3 plus 3 10x plus root 3 10 square x, root 3 10 square x, understand? And here you multiplying 1 with this number, so minus root 3 minus 10x, and here you have 3 10x plus 3 10x, and minus root 3 10 square x, minus root 3 10 square x is equal to 3. So here you have a step like that. Yes, note it. So that be equal to 3. And some of the terms are cancelled here. Root 3 minus root 3 cancel. Plus 10x minus 10x cancel out. Root 3 10 square x plus root 3 10 square x is cancel out. Okay. So what are left? 3 10x and 3 10x. So you have 6 10x. So here you have plus 10x, sorry, that is not cancelled. Here you have plus 10x. Understand? Just correct it. Here you have plus 10x. And that term is not cancelled out. So here you have 6 or 2, 8 10x. So right, what is left here? So you have 10x plus 8 10x upon 1 minus 3 10 square x is equal to 3. You have a term like that. Now you taking LCM again. Okay. Now if you're taking LCM, so your LCM is 1 minus 3 10 square x. 1 minus 3 10 square x. So here you have 10x minus 3 10 cube x plus 8 10x. 8 10x is equal to 3. Yes, right. 8 10x is equal to 3. So overall, here you have 9 10x minus 3 10 cube x upon 1 minus 3 10 square x. So just I rub here upper part. Okay, so you write from. So here you have 9 10x minus 3 10 cube x whole divided by 1 minus 3 10 square x is equal to 3. Now, if you are taking 3 common, so that 3 is cancelled out. Okay. So you have 3 10x minus 10 cube x upon 1 minus 3 10 square x is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. 3 is cancelled out. And if you applying identity, that gives tan 3x. Here you have a formula for tan 3x. So right, tan 3x is equal to 1 and 1 is what? Tan pi by 4. So you have 3x is equal to n pi plus pi by 4, or your answer is x is equal to n pi by 3 plus pi by 12. So that is your final answer. X is equal to n pi by 3 plus pi by 12. Now next question. Solve sine 2x plus cos x is equal to 0. Here you have to find the value of x in general solution. Sine 2x plus cos x is equal to 0. So your aim is what? You have to reduce it in a form of factor. In a form of factor. Understand? So sine 2x can be written as 2 sine x cos x plus cos x and is equal to 0. Taking cos x common, so you have 2 sine x plus 1 is equal to 0. So in this way here you see that it is converted into factor. Understand? So if cos x is 0, this implies x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So that is your solution. If cos x is 0, you have x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. In the same way, if your second factor is 0, 2 sine x plus 1 is 0. So sine x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Sine x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Understand? And sine x is negative in third quadrant. And 1 by 2 is the value of pi by 6. So you can write sine pi plus pi by 6, which is sine 7 pi by 6. Now, if you applying identity, you have x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n, 7 pi by 6 is your answer. So in this way, you have two solutions here. X is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into 7 pi by 6 is your solution. हो गया बेटा सबका कर लिया? Okay, right, next question. Cos 3x plus cos x minus cos 2x is equal to 0. Here you have to solve it. Means here you arrange the terms of left side in such a way that you can reduce it in a form of factor. Understand? Means you can take common. So here you can applying it. So if you applying the identity of sin x plus cos y, sin x plus cos x plus cos y. So you have 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. So if you applying here cos x plus y, so you have 4x by 2 means cos 2x, and cos 2x is here. So you can take cos 2x common. Means that be easily converted in the form of factor. Understand? So you applying it. So here you applying in between two terms the formula of cos x plus cos y. So which is 2 cos x plus y by 2. So 3x plus x, 4x by 2 means 2x. So here you have 2 cos 2x, cos x minus y by 2. So you have x minus cos 2x is equal to 0. So cos 2x is common. Here you have cos 2x as common. So 2 cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now applying its possibility. So if cos 2x is 0, so cos 2x is equal to 0. This implies 2x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, or x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 4. So that is your one of the solution. X is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 4. Now its second factor. If you are taking its second factor, 2 cos x minus 1 is 0. Cos x is equal to 1 upon 2, which is cos pi by 3. So the value of x is 2n pi plus minus pi by 3. x is equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 3. So in this way, you can solve it. नोट कर लो बेटे इसको. So here you see that you cannot here you not disturb any term, means you applying here as it is. But sometime there be a situation in such a way that you can arrange the term. Then you are able to getting common, means take common from the given terms. Understand? So in this way, you solve next question. Right. Solve sine 2x minus sine 4x plus sine 6x is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Now just to check it. If you applying directly in between, that means identity of sine x minus sine y, so the identity is 2 cos x plus y by 2 sine x minus y by 2. So if you applying a plus b by 2 means 6x by 2, so you have 3x. And if you are taking the difference, means you have x. And here your term is sine 6x. So there is no any common in between them. So what you do, you have to take sine 2x with sine 6x. So and applying the identity, so you will have sine 4x, and in this way sine 4x can be taken common. Okay, so you write in this way first. Arrange its term sine 2x plus sine 6x minus sine 4x is equal to 0. And then applying identity here, sine x plus sine y, which is 2 sine x plus y by 2 means 4x cos x minus y by 2. Just wait. If you are taking x minus y, you have minus 4x by 2 means 2x. Understand? Minus 2x. And cos of minus x is equal to cos x. That's why here you write positive value. So if you are taking the difference, cos x minus y by 2, so x minus y is 4x. If you are taking by 2, you have 2x. So here you write 2x. Okay, because cos minus x is equal to cos x. That's why. So, and here you write sine of 4x is equal to 0. Now taking sine 4x common, so you have 2 cos 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now simplifying, applying its result. So sine 4x is equal to 0. Sine 4x is equal to 0, or sorry, this implies 4x is equal to n pi, or x is equal to n pi by 4. So this is your one solution. X is equal to n pi by 4. Now for second one, you have 2 cos 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, or cos 2x is equal to 1 upon 2. That is also equal to cos pi by 3. So you have 2x is equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 3. So the value of x is n pi plus minus pi by 6. So that is your final result. X is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 6. Just I give you same type of question to you, trying to simplify and told me what is your result. Understand? And just I want to verify if your answer is correct or not. Understand? Are you ready for that? Just similar, same type of questions. Just I given to you, trying to solve, and told me what is your answer. Understand? Okay. Are you ready? Am I audible? Are you listen to me? So just I given you give you some question, one question only, which is same as the previous one. You trying to solve it and told me what is your answer. Okay, and the question is solve sine x plus sine 3x plus sine 5x is equal to 0. You have to solve it and told me what is your answer. So just see how you solve such type of question. That question is same as the previous one. You should have to applying it. Here you think about the terms and applying the formula for sin x plus sin y in such a way that you can take common. So if you are taking sin x and sin 5x and applying the formula for sin x plus sin y, that is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. So you can take it common, sin 3x in between them. So first you write sin x plus sin 5x plus sin 3x and is equal to 0. So that is equal to 2 sin x plus 5x, which is 6x, and 6x by 2 is 3x. So write here 3x. So 2 sin 3x cos x minus y by 2. So you have minus 4x by 2 and is equal to 2x plus sin 3x is equal to 0. Now sin 3x is common. So you have 2 cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. And write it. So sin 3x is equal to 0 implies 3x is equal to n pi. 3x is equal to n pi, or x is equal to n pi by 3. Here you have x is equal to n pi by 3. Now for second one, 2 cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So cos 2x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. And cos is negative in second quadrant. So you can write cos pi minus pi by 3, which is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. So cos 2x is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. So 2x is equal to 2n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3. Okay. Now the value of x is n pi plus minus pi by 3. So that is your answer. Note it. Done. बेटा हो गया सबका?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
So you write next one. Yes, right. Solve 4 sin x cos x. 4 sin x cos x plus 2 sin x plus 2 cos x plus 1 is equal to 0. 2 cos x plus 1 is equal to 0. First, you're trying to factorize left side, means express complete left side terms in a form of factor. So here you have 2 sin x cos x. Here you have 2 sin x. So you can take common 2 sin x common. So here you have 2 sine x common. So 2 cos x plus 1. And here you have again 2 cos x plus 1. Okay. And is equal to 0. Now taking 2 cos x plus 1 as common. So you have 2 sine x plus 1 and is equal to 0. So here you see that your left side is converted in a form of factor. So if first factor is equal to 0, 2 cos x plus 1 is equal to 0. So cos of x is equal to minus 1 by 2 and is equal to cos pi minus pi by 3, which is cos 2 pi by 3. So how you write your answer? X is equal to 2n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3. So that is your solution. In the same way, if you are taking its second factor,